fixing a gigantic vacuum leak. Oh, come on. Hold on. Anyways, after fixing a gigantic vacuum leak, oh yeah, now she bam bams. Check for vacuum leaks, kids. Still gotta work on getting her to idle, but hey, she pulls fuel and makes smoke clouds now. Nice! Well, scratch that. I just turned the choke on and gave her a refire. Maybe she just got a little cold. Let's see. Oh, maybe it was just cold. It's running good now. Woo! Or not. Well, I guess we still got more idle work to do.